What? What? If you just won't quit, then ultimately you will get to your business goals. How to overcome your fear of speaking. How to overcome your fear of speaking. Now, there are lots of, I may have to do several videos on this because there are lots of reasons people have a fear of speaking. Sometimes people stutter because something has happened traumatic in their life. People have tried to silence them, or people have told them they shouldn't speak, or they were afraid, whatever, okay? So there are different reasons that people are afraid of speaking. So here's what I want to offer you today if you have a fear of speaking. And I'm not talking about people who literally have been silenced at the threat of death. You may need to get some support from a therapist or a counselor or something like that. But I find that the most important reason that people are afraid of speaking in public is because they are afraid of rejection. Is because they are afraid of what the person looking at them, or the audience that's looking at them, what they're thinking, what they're saying, whether they're receiving what they're saying. That's usually in some area, some form or fashion in those areas, why people are afraid of public speaking. And people used to say, oh, just imagine that people are naked in the audience. And that was weird. So I'd stop. Who wants to do that? That's weird. So don't do that. But I would challenge you to practice speaking to people in your life who love you, but who can look at you like they don't love you. Now, here's what I mean by that. When I'm training my speaking clients, I will sit, if we're like at one of my events, I will sit in the room and have everybody in the room, all the other students, look at them like they're not approving. Like it is the most uncomfortable thing. But that's exactly what you're afraid of. You're afraid that people are not approving, they're not accepting. And you need the practice. You need the practice of knowing that you are good enough. You need the practice of knowing that you have a great message, and it doesn't matter. You're not going to reach everybody. Everybody's not going to approve of your message. Everybody's not going to love you. And that's the reality of being afraid to speak in front of people. That's the reality of your fear of speaking. It has nothing to do with actually speaking. It has to do with acceptance. So if you can accept you, and you can start to understand and know that you are good enough, that whatever's happened that's made you question whether you're good enough, that you are good enough. And once you start to accept you, you will lose the need to have everybody who's watching you, who's in that audience, to accept you. So the key is not to focus on how you think they're making you feel, because they're not making you feel that way. Once you do the inner work, you will be on track to do the outer work. And once you start to really build up your own self-acceptance and downplay your own self-hatred, then you will be on track to be a phenomenal speaker. And in fact, not just a phenomenal speaker, but anything you choose to do in your life.